Good day, children. This is your English teacher, Patricia Dominic from St. John's High School, Class 5. This is your lesson number 4 of English grammar, and we are learning about formation of plural noun. This is part 2 on page number 14 to 16. Remember, your book is Junior English, Hayden Richards. We are learning about different rules of forming plural nouns. Children, in the previous lesson, we learned about 5 rules of making singular to plural nouns, and here in this lesson, we are learning 5 more rules of forming plural nouns. Rule number 6. Nouns ending with O form their plurals in 2 ways. Some by adding s and some by adding es. This is very easy. When you will see the examples, you will see how these words are very common in your daily life. See the list number 1 by adding es. Torpedo, torpedoes. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Cargo, cargoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Echo, echos. Here we have added es and we have made plural nouns. See the list number 2. Here we are adding simply s. Piano, pianos. Solo, solos. Solo is a song which is sung by a single singer. Banjo is a kind of musical instrument. Banjos. We are adding s here only and making it plural. Eskimo. Eskimos are the people who live in the North Pole and they are called Eskimo. So when we are going to make plural, we will add s only and make the plural noun. Eskimos. Sopranos, sopranos. Curio, curious. Dynamo, dynamos. Rule number 7. Several nouns have no singular forms. We never speak of a scissor or a trouser, but we always use scissors and trousers. For example, braces. Here is the picture of braces. Breeches. Here it's a kind of dress. Breeches. Shears. This is a picture of shears. Shorts. Shorts, the short pants are always worn by boys and girls in the summer season. Scissors. Pants. Pincers. Here is a picture of pincers. Pliers. Pliers is also a tool. Spectacles. Here it's the other name of glasses. We commonly use glasses, but the actual name is spectacles. Tongs is also a tool. Trousers. Trousers are also a kind of dress. Here is rule number 8. Some of the nouns have the same form for singular and plural. Let's see the examples. Here is example. If there is one sheep, we will write sheep. But if there are more than one sheep, we will never use or add s or es or any other addition, but we will write sheep only. Sheep is used for singular and plural both. Deer. If there is one, we will call it deer, and if there are more than one, that will also be the same. Deer. One salmon or many salmon, they will be written as same for singular and plural. Rule number 9. The plural number of some nouns is formed by changing a vowel or by adding en. Let's see the examples. Here are few examples. Foot, feet. We will never use for more than 1 foot the same word, but we will change it, and O will be changed into E, and we will say it feet. It will become feet for plural. Man, men for plural. Ox, oxen for plural. We are adding en here. Goose for singular and geese for plural. Child for singular and children for plural. Rule number 10. The plurals of some compound words are formed by adding s to the first word. Let's see the example. Son-in-law will be changed into sons-in-law. Passerby, passers-by. Maid of honor, maids of honor. And like a few more words like daughter-in-law will be changed into daughters-in-law, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, father-in-law, fathers-in-law, brother-in-law, brothers-in-law, and sister-in-law will be changed into sisters-in-law. Children, let's do some practice. The rich widow left her money to her son-in-law. It will be changed into the rich widow left her money to her sons-in-law. The soprano sang a solo at the concert. The sopranos sang solos at the concert. The buffalo was chased by a lion. The buffaloes were chased by lions. The policeman could not solve the mystery. The policeman could not solve the mysteries. The farmer will kill the goose and the turkey for Christmas. The farmer will kill the geese and the turkeys for Christmas. Children, now see, here the nouns which are changed into plural nouns, they are having different or followed by different rules. Over here, the first word is changed into plural. Here, ending with O, we are adding S only here. Then here it is also ending with O, but we are adding ES. Lion is changed into lions by adding simply S. Policeman is changed into policeman by adding A, changing A into E. And here mystery, Y is changed into IES and making it plural form of the noun, mysteries. Goose is changed into geese by changing OO into EE. And turkey is changed into turkeys by adding simply S. Children, here's your homework. You will do exercise 8 on page number 15. And as you finish your work, you can submit your homework in school office during 8 to 11 a.m. Stay home, stay safe.